your average might be hiding the real problem. That is why histograms are so useful. A histogram shows the shape of your data, not just one number. Instead of only looking at the average, a histogram shows how often different results happen across a range. For example, if you are measuring delivery time, call handling time, defect size, waiting time, or processing time, a histogram helps you see whether the process is consistent or all over the place. A good histogram usually has a clear shape. The data is grouped logically. The bars are easy to read. The pattern makes sense for the process, and the spread is small enough to meet the customer or business requirement. If the histogram is centered around the target, with most results close together, that is usually a good sign. But there are red flags to watch for. If the histogram is very wide, the process has too much variation. If it is skewed heavily to one side, something may be pulling the process in that direction. If it has two peaks, you may be mixing two different processes, teams, products, shifts, or customer types. If there are outliers, you need to understand what caused those unusual results. And if the bars sit outside the specification limits, the process is not meeting requirements. To fix these issues, do not just adjust the average. First, split the data by team, shift, product, location, system, or customer type. Then, look for the source of variation. Standardize the process where needed. Remove special causes, improve training, fix unclear handovers, and reduce the things that make the process behave differently each time. There are also different types of histogram shapes. A normal histogram looks like a bell shape, with most results near the center. A skewed histogram leans to one side. A bimodal histogram has two peaks, which often means two different groups are being mixed together. A uniform histogram looks flat, where results are spread fairly evenly. And a binomial-style pattern can appear when data comes from pass or fail, yes or no, or defect and no defect outcomes. The key point is this. A histogram helps you see the story behind the numbers. Because if you only look at the average, you might miss the variation, the outliers, the hidden groups, and the real reason your process is not performing. If you want to understand your data properly and spot process variation faster, follow SimplicityHub for more practical Lean, Six Sigma, and continuous improvement lessons.